Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GitHub Actions CI CD for Azure deployments step by step clearly. To activate GitHub Actions CI CD for Azure deployments, start by logging into your GitHub account. Navigate to the repository you want to configure. Click on the Actions tab located at the top of the page. If this is your first time using GitHub Actions, you may see a set of suggested workflows. Choose the Set up a workflow yourself option. In the workflow editor, you will see a default YAML template. Replace it with your own configuration for Azure deployment. Begin by defining the name of your workflow at the top of the YAML file. Use the keyword on to specify the events that will trigger the workflow. Typically, you will set it to trigger on push or pull _ request events. Next, define the job section under your workflow. Specify the job that will run when the workflow is triggered. Set the runs on key to the type of runner you want to use, typically Ubuntu latest. Within the job, add steps for each action you want to perform. Start by checking out your code using the actions/checkout action. Add a step to set up the appropriate version of Node.js or any other runtime needed for your project. Use the actions/setup node action for Node.js, specifying the desired version. Next, add a step to install your dependencies. Use the run command with a package manager like npm or yarn. After the installation, add a build step to compile or prepare your application. Now, add a step to log into Azure using the GitHub secrets for security. Use the Azure/login action and specify your Azure credentials stored in GitHub secrets. Once logged in, add a deployment step using the appropriate Azure CLI commands. Specify the Azure resource group and web app name for deployment. Finally, save and commit your changes to the workflow file. Once committed, GitHub Actions will automatically trigger according to the events defined. Monitor the Actions tab for logs and notifications as the deployment progresses. After completion, verify the deployment on your Azure portal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.